In this short video, you will see the best, easiest and fastest YouTube video to text converter app. If you like such content, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now let's take a look at how to convert a YouTube video into a text article.
Once you get access to our one-click blog post cloud software, you can actually just log in like this, and once you're logged in, you will be able to just create a new article in just one click. So just click on this create new article button. It'll ask you to enter a YouTube video URL. So let's say I'll take this demo YouTube video URL and paste it over here, and then you can just say create my article. And once you do that, it'll ask you if you want to do this in English or any other languages. So it depends on the video which language is available, and then select language, and then in just a few seconds you will see that the complete article is ready over here. And you can see that you can just simply copy the article, just copy text, or you can just download this text as a text file and you would have received it instantly on your desktop. And you can just copy this entire content and then place it anywhere on your marketing sites or your blogs or any kind of content marketing that you're doing. You can use this article over there, or you can also rewrite it and use it as as a starting point for writing something new. All right, so this is our cloud edition for the one-click blog post. Very simple to use, one-click article creation made extremely simple. All right, so all you have to do is place your order below and you will be able to get the one-click blog post cloud edition in just a few seconds. All right, thanks.
One important thing, when you click the link below in the description, you will see that is a WordPress plugin, because it was the original version of this software. But not everyone uses WordPress, so you get both the plugin and the portal presented in this video. So click the link below this video to learn more and take advantage of this amazing YouTube video to text converter app before the promo ends. Click the link below now.